Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can adjust the automatic power off function. So at the first we have to turn on the screen, so click it one time, then open quick menu, go on the right side, click on the settings icon, and right here we have to enter the general, and right here we got the auto power off function, so enter, and here we got the 3, 5, 15 minutes and also the never option, and I want to set it up as a never, and when you go back this function is changed. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.